Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet. So, are you guys want to look at some stuff? So, if you noticed, I broke out my trusty Dexter hat. I don't know if you guys know the series Dexter. It's a good series. I like it a lot. It is one of my favorite shows to watch. I've binged it about 176 times, and Michael C. Hall, the actor, is my favorite actor. So I am wearing my Dexter hat for all those who love Dexter. And for all of you who told me that if I ever wear the Dexter hat on video again, now you will never watch another one of my videos, I thought maybe you'd like my shirt better. Would this change your mind? Anyways, there is a reason why I'm wearing my Dexter gear today. I have some special yarn, and if you follow me, you probably know that I follow Keith from Yarn Snob Yarns. Oh, he came out with the Dexter yarn, so that's the purpose of my Dexter ensemble here. Because I love the show a lot. So why don't we go ahead and look at what's in the box. I'm really excited to see it. The yarn that Keith dyes. If you don't know Keith, you should know Keith. I talk about him quite a bit. He's the maker of the Powerball. And he hand dyes, and he is based in Florida. So let's go ahead and open it up. I haven't opened it yet. It's kind of a heavy box, so I gotta be careful. I don't cut no yarn. Don't want to cut no yarn. Ugh. Oh my gosh. I always think I should do this before, but then it loses, it's wow factor if I do it before. Oh my. Oh my. There is the Dexter yarn. Let's look at it. How exciting. So this is a new color he came out with. Well, and he had it in his shop, and I'm like, everybody was tagging me in it because everybody knows I love, well, if you watch me, you know I love Dexter a lot. And I had to have it. We're matching today, twinning, the yarn ball and me. Oh wow. So it's very beautiful. And it smells very much like Keith's yarn. Keith's yarn has a very distinctive smell, which I love a lot. So I'm going to show you, this is 100% superwash merino. This is a worsted weight. He has a worsted weight Powerball. So it's 500 grams, approximately 1,098 yards. It's milled in Italy and hand dyed in the United States. Now I'm going to put links below to his website so you can check it out. He has everything I'm about ready to show you. He has available on the Powerball in a, see, here's his color Dexter. Love it. Love it. Everything I'm about to show you, he has available in the Powerball, which is this one. He has it in the 4-way and a fingering weight. He also has 100 gram hanks in them. I think they have like 200 or maybe 210 yards of a 4-weight. And then he has them in 100 gram fingering weights, which I'm not sure the yardage on them because I don't use fingering weights. But yeah, you can get them in, the small hanks or the big hanks. So I got this one. I actually got 2 of them. Super gorgeous, super soft. What should I make with the Dexter yarn? You guys tell me in the comments. What do I make with my Dexter yarn? The wheels are turning. They're turning in my head. Gotta get some Dexter yarn. I'm a huge Dexter fan. I'm a super huge Dexter fan. You don't even know half of my Dexter fanness goes. You only know like parts of it. It's super fanny. And anyways, I saw that and I had to have it. It was just, I had to. Anyways, I didn't just get Dexter yarn because you know what they say, variety is the slice of life, right? All right, let's keep going. All right, it says, Crystal, thank you so much. Your support means a lot. Enjoy. Keith. see what we got up in here. Let's see what we got. Got a bunch of power balls. Got a bunch of power balls. Keith sends a nice sack of candy. M&M's. Save those for later day. Later day. Probably just after the video is done. Okay, now every power ball, or every one of these I'm going to show you, it has the same specs as the one I just showed you, and they're all available in the big balls and the regular size tanks, and they're all available in 4-weight and fingering weight. So this was a new color too. Oh, I do have plans for this one though. This one is called a 5 o'clock shadow. Isn't that one pretty? I got plans for it, for them. Yes, I already know what that's gonna be. It's so pretty. I love a good gray. Yes, that one's beautiful. I love it. All right, let me move on. I don't have very many to show you. Just a couple here. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, I thought this one was pretty too. I thought this was beautiful. This one is called Midnight and Manhattan. This is one of my favorite blues that he has. Look at that one. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes. It's so pretty. I'm welcome for ideas for any of these that you guys think. That is so pretty. The colors in that. Midnight in Manhattan. Huh? I wonder if that's really what it looks like. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then I have, ooh, this one's pretty. It's pink. It's pink. This is Porcelain Rose is the color on this one. So it's a very, very pale pink there. Very, very pale. And then, yeah, you know, you can do a little bit darker spots into white, you know. Not really white, but really extremely pale pink. It's really pretty. Like porcelain. That one's gorgeous. Love that one. And I got one more here to show you. No, I'm sorry. Two more. I got a lot of, they're all solids except for Dexter. This one's called Sandstone. So it's pretty, really light tan, like extremely light tan. So that's nice. I like that one. It's so soft. The thing I like about Keith's yarn is I don't know. It's just it's the base is so super nice that he uses. It's got a little nice stretch on it. I got a lot of nice garments and things I made with his yarn. Okay, I got one more ball, and actually it's pretty basic color, but I love the color. I do. It's black. I know what I'm making with this. I won't be able to recrochet it on camera though, because no one can see black on camera, unfortunately. But I can see it to crochet with it, but just can't do a camera with it. Now that's a nice black. That is a nice black. I know I've seen a lot of hand-dyed yarns through my days. Some hand dyers have trouble achieving a nice black. Apparently Keith does not, because this is very beautiful. Oh, you know, it would look good with the Dexter almost, wouldn't it? Put those two together. Oh yeah. Yes. Definitely matching today. Alright, so that's all I got. I just wanted to show you this short video, and I was just so excited to show you guys this Dexter yarn. It's so pretty. You guys should check it out. Like I said, link below in the description to Keith's store, where you'll find all these yarns and so many more beautiful, beautiful yarns. I can't speak highly enough of Keith. He is my favorite yarn dyer. So, that's it. Remember, let me know what you think the Dexter would look good in. It's always hard to tell how these are gonna work up crocheted, you know, because it really depends on the stitch you use. I'll think about it, and I'm welcoming any ideas that you guys have. I'll see you guys on the next video.